Hello. You are now going to meet Ms. Palvinder Pali, a renowned international makeup artist. She is the director of Akal Upma Private Limited Singapore, and she has been appointed recently as the national director of the CLF International magazine for Singapore. Before meeting her, a little more about her. She is the finalist in Singapore's Top Makeup Artist in 2018. She has worked with Shins Production Singapore web series, MNS Production Private Limited Singapore, and Arctic Global Private Limited Singapore. She has even taught how to apply makeup to artists from 11 countries who participated in the CLF International Online Mega Model Hunt 2020. And I was one of them. I learned makeup from her. She's such a sweet friend of mine. She has worked as a special effects makeup artist with a few Malayalam movies. One is Duruvangal Randu under First Cut Productions. It is a psychological thriller movie by Sebastian Lewis. Another film is also a Malayalam short movie by Singapore Kairali Film Forum, directed by G. Rajesh Kumar. She considers working with artists in movies is a very challenging job, and she really enjoys doing that. She has done her diploma in cosmetology and hair and skin from VLCC. She has also done a certification course from London University, City Guilds in hair, skin and makeup. Other than makeup, in her free time, she loves to write Punjabi poems. She says her daughter is everything to her, and she owes everything to her daughter for all her success and whatever achievements she had made in her life. Everything to her daughter, dear daughter, Amrinder Kaur. As I mentioned earlier, I learned makeup from her. She was the makeup teacher, and she's my makeup guru. I actually nagged her a lot, asked her a lot of doubts during the contest, and she was very kind to patiently reply me and help me out since I was a first timer. She's such a sweet friend of mine and a very good human being. Palvinder is currently working in this project called Conceptual Bridal Makeover. If you are an aspiring model or a sponsor, please contact the numbers shown below. The numbers are also given in the description box below. In conversation with Palvinder Pali. So, hello Palvinder.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, Rumbia. How are you?
So, yeah, I'm also good. Thank you. So thank you so much for taking time and coming here to have a conversation
for your
for my channel.
Thank you.
Okay. So can you introduce yourself, please, for the audience?
Okay. My name is Palvinder Pali, and I'm a professional makeup artist. I'm a cosmetologist and a director of Royal Enrich Beauty, and just appointed by CLF as the director of the Singapore.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
and doing so many things for that.
You're working on a lot of projects. So how long have you been in Singapore? When did you come to Singapore?
I came in 2010,
Okay.
so it's almost 10 plus years.
Okay. I have been here for the past more than 20 years.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
it's a double time.
Yes. So, like, is this your passion, or how did you start? Did you study for makeup? You did a course or something, or is this a passion or a dream?
Actually, I was in totally different profession before that.
Okay.
I'm doing the airline diploma as in a ground staff.
Oh, okay.
And after that, I just realized that we need to do something, other things we need to try.
Okay.
Then I learned from VLCC,
Okay.
and it's a proper, I learned training, everything for the skin, hair, makeup. And after that, I learned from the City and Guilds from London University. Also, I give the examination. That
Okay.
was.
Okay.
So Before that is not my passion, it's profession only.
Okay.
So right now it's my aim. I will do well in this and do much and more for you.
Okay.
And experiment doing still.
Okay. Good luck. Best wishes. for all
Thank you
your
so
efforts.
much, Shama.
So actually, people like me, used to think like natural is the best. Being natural is the best.
Yes.
So earlier, you know that I participated in the model contest. Only after that, I got introduced to makeup, and I started trying out makeup and all. Till then, I had never even applied a powder also. So I've been like that. So why do you think we need to do makeup, or what is makeup according to you?
Makeup is give us a confidence.
Okay.
But because I know that the natural skin is always good, but still we have a natural skin. Some error is there. It's like someone have pimples, someone have dark lines and all. And basic makeup is a natural makeups are also available in markets. We don't
Okay.
need to makeup means is a elaborate on your things and all the things over makeup. It's a
Okay.
just for the natural tones you start to do using. It's a give us a natural look. So makeup give us a like foundation if you like, give us a good and flawless skin.
Okay. So it
This
boosts
is
your
most
confidence.
of your confidence.
Yeah. So what are all the services you do? Basically like makeup or anything else? Hairdos? So many
I'm
things
doing
are
so many services in a cosmetology related with skins, related hair and hairdo also I'm doing. Makeup also doing, I'm doing the makeup for the medias also.
there. Okay.
It's for the short movies and all. It all depends on the director demands what kind of makeup they want to different actors, something special effects makeup,
Okay.
like make younger to older man and old to young man, and some different kind of moods we will.
Okay.
That one also we can
Theme based also.
theme is also sometimes like that. Some moods we are also making by the makeup also as a.
Okay. Okay.
So we were doing that. So I'm doing all the
Okay.
things according
So
to
even
that.
wedding, the bride comes to you, you can make up. Or
Yes,
you can
yes,
go
yes.
to their place and help them to make up.
They depends on that. If they want to come to my place, is easy. They can come to my place also.
Okay.
And sometimes we will go for the shoot for the outside also for the wedding halls and all the things also we doing. It all depends on the client demand and what things they want. So we would need to be a comfort to the clients.
That's right. That's right. So if some customer comes to you and she or he she doesn't know like how to what sort of a makeup she needs or something, how do you decide by looking at that person like what kind of a makeup she needs? How do you decide?
We ask some questions like where are you going, what time
Okay.
you are going, what kind of occasion they have,
Okay.
and like it's an official meeting or it's a party, it's a what kind of
Yeah,
party,
different
and
occasions.
after that is also that depends on the skin also, it's a oily or dry skin,
Okay.
and we will notice the round face is a what cut of the round face have.
Okay.
The perfect faces are always calling of the olive face, is which one is the upper and then olive shape. That is the perfect one. But some people have a round face, some people have
So
round
olive means
face.
it's an oval type.
Oval type. It's
Uh-huh.
down is like bit slick and then upper is
Oh,
bit round.
okay.
So
Okay.
we will do like that. That is the perfect shape actually. Then after that we will, if it's not like that, everyone have a shape. Then we will contouring the person according to that.
Okay.
And we will choose the hairstyle also according to they have a big forehead or small forehead. If they have a small forehead, we can't like we will give to some puffy areas and all. They will take long face on that.
Okay.
But if they have a like big face, like big forehead
broad
and like
face.
broad forehead like me, so I always suggest the not partition from the center,
Okay.
better partition from the side and bit puffy like that.
Okay.
And open some hair from the few in the flakes also, or either you don't do the like tight bun, you can't do like that because
Okay.
your otherwise
Yes,
your
okay.
face is permanent
Show
show
even
that
more
is
bigger.
more
Ah,
bigger. So
okay.
that kind of things we need to be a mind.
Oh, okay.
And what kind of clothes they are wearing also is the matter. So
Correct.
many things we
So
need
it
to
has
keep
to
in
match
mind.
the costume, occasion.
Yeah. So we need to keep in mind all the things, not only one or two things.
Okay. So I have a round face or what shape my face is?
Your shape is not too round, but bit roundy and bit olive. So down is the okay cheeks. This one is again.
Okay.
But here till we need to be a cutting bit.
Because it's so broad.
Yeah, it's broad from here.
Okay.
The chin is thin, so that's good.
One important question which I get a lot from my friends and my all my friends, like how to find the correct foundation tone according to our skin tone. That is very difficult. So important question.
Yeah, it's really very important because
Yes.
base is the important thing. If your base is not good, your
Right.
all makeup good or not good, it's just all not look nice.
Yes.
So I always suggest that you don't go with the when you go to buy because everyone has a different skin type.
Yes.
Whenever you go and you can buy and you can check on your hand, not in the palm side, the other side,
Yeah, this side.
and you apply one drop
Okay.
and you try to merge.
Okay.
If you see it merge it properly and it will give you a nice look, it's not too brighten and not too darker shade. It's
So it merges properly. Okay.
So it's look nice shade. It's like not prompt.
Okay.
So then you can buy for that one is for your daily base.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to go for party and all, you will take the bit brighter one. Just
Okay.
for bit is a one, like for the natural one is for one shade is a brighter, and for party you can take the 2 shade brighter, but
Okay.
not more than that. If you
Okay.
take a more than that, you will look a clown. So
Okay.
sorry to say that, but yes, is a skin tone is always important, and must one thing is more important. If you have oily skin, then must try to oily skin product. Not go to the
Okay.
dry skin. There is
So
always
the
written on
product is
there.
only for oily skin.
Yeah, but there is a written on that. This one is for oily to dry skin, for dry to oil, normal
Yeah,
skin,
normal
and all
skin.
the
Okay.
things. So must need that one is remember.
So we need to
also.
buy proper products.
Yes, sure.
according to
sure.
our
According to our skin.
taste.
And now in this is very easy
Mm.
because they are written on
Written,
there.
written.
So it's just need to remind you what kind of skin you have. So you
Okay.
do that.
Okay. So now, is there any proper order to apply makeup? First foundation, then concealer, primer. So many things are there. Is there any order to apply it on?
Yes, for base is just required, 100% required. You have first we do clean our face. We will be, if we have a sweaty face, so much sweat, then we will be washed with the ice cube or ice water because that time the pores are closed for a while.
Okay.
So then you can apply a primer for that one. For oily skin, then you will primer for the oily one. It's a matte finishing one, not cream based.
Okay.
If your skin is a dry, then you will put on the moisturizer, cream, and all the things are like proper moisturizing your skin.
Okay.
After-
So sorry, matte finish means it's powder, is it?
No, it's a matte finishing is a powder.
No,
It's a,
not shiny.
not shiny, not creamy one.
Okay.
It's a cream, but it's not too greasy cream.
Okay.
So it's a matte also coming on that.
So with the foundation powder is also there, right?
Foundation powder is a different.
Uh-huh.
That one we use after the foundation. So the
Oh,
BB
so the
cream,
later.
BB cream some people use, then they don't use the foundation for the regular use.
Okay. Okay.
So it's like that. It's a sequence is that. First we do the concealing
Okay.
for primer. After that we will concealer. Put that, and the concealer we don't put the like rubbing on there, spreading. We just need to put a dab.
Okay.
Not like this. So it's every product has a different way of to apply also. So there is so many videos are there, so you can see, you can ask question to us also if you have any problem.
Yes,
You don't know that because if you like that, then it's same. It's all goes concealer. Concealer must be rub on, not rub,
Just
just
dab.
dab on their face.
Okay.
Wherever you feel that is a skin area is a dark, some people have a under lips also, the side lips and under eyes. So we will be going to put the concealer on that areas.
Okay.
And after that we need to be put on the foundation. Foundation also choose. I told you how to choose. So we will be applying with the brush if we are going to the party, or otherwise we will use for the few drops is okay for that. It's a rapid base. But for the party we will take a bit more foundation. So we will be apply with that is a sponge. It's a marketing that comes with so many things are there. The brushes we will apply properly, and after that we will go with the eyeliner, kajal, eyebrows. There's a sequence is there, but if you are a fresher, you can't follow that sequence. Then I always recommend if you are fresher, you don't know, then better you first do eyebrows shape, because if you do eyebrow shape, then you easy for to do the eye makeup.
Okay.
So it's not that eye makeup done, then we will do the eyebrow shape. Eyebrow shape and then eyebrow shading and all things we can done. After that we will apply the foundation and we can do that.
Okay.
But like same, some orders are there. Before foundation we can't apply the bruise and all.
Yes, it's the basic.
Blushes we
yes.
need to after that. So
Yeah.
it's some sequence we need to follow that.
Okay.
So lip color we can for any time we can apply whatever is convenient, but some is which to each other is together. So not like that you will skip and then do other later on that. So
Correct,
it's
correct,
a
correct.
sequence